So as you can see, the pool is gone. But yeah, Saturday morning, 5:30, and we are already outside. Liza came to me like 10 to 5 that she needs to go, and she was very adamant that she needs to go, but as you can see, she doesn't need to go. She just wants to go outside and walk. You know, the menses, the hormones. So I said, yeah, today we will not. Okay, so I said we will go in the morning, way too early. You know, it's a weekend. We can go a little bit later. But no, here we are. 5:30 outside. So yeah, you know, I always forget that Nara has those seizure problems. Capridna. So we don't want to aggravate his condition with Liza's condition. And yeah, it's raining. Not much, but it's raining. And of course I don't have any umbrella with me. But we will go just, well, hopefully just Pridna, just for a quick walk. But yeah, this week basically she wants just to walk and walk around, not going home. Which is, you know, quite unusual for her, because usual she goes, this is the shortcut to get to home much quicker than your route, let's go here. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was really, well, I thought that there will be no rain today, but apparently not, or perhaps it will stop later, hopefully. It was basically, they just, you know, the forecast for today was overcast, cloudy, but no rain. But guess what? We have a little bit of rain. Lizzie. Oh yeah. You know, the only good side, the only good thing that comes with her heat is that she will eat everything. So this is one of the good sides. Oh, I don't recall this. You know, blinking lights above the sign for the. Is this new? Huh. Pridna Lulama. Yeah. I think that this is something new. Yeah, it has been a while since we were walking here so early, you know, basically in the darkness. And during the day you basically don't even acknowledge the existence of the sign. So yeah, interesting. much more, you know, because this you know, there is quite a large bend, and as you can see, only now basically Chucky Grievachis, the driver, you know, it will take him some time. He will be basically quite into the bend before he will notice anyone wanting to cross the street. The road. This is the road. Nadeva Deva. Oh yeah. So we have some miserable, well, one more miserable week ahead of us, and hopefully then this rain will stop. Okay, we are going to complete darkness, so we will end on this point.